This is the beginning of the end, but before that, let's find out the 8th trend. क्या Bollywood ramp पर चलेगा या front row में बैठेगा? We are right here at the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week, Autumn Winter 2011. Sabyasachi is about to show and Vidya Balan is here. Is she going to be his muse or will she just be in the news? Let's find out.
Typically Sabyasachi. It's very young and hip. It's a completely Western collection with little Indian inserts. The collection travels through Peru, through Portugal, through Argentina, France, and comes back to India. And there are a lot of Indian textiles and a lot of bright colors, something that I've not done for quite a long time.
I love the fabrics, the colors, the vibrancy, and then that slight Indian element of the veil, the dupatta worn like a, veil on the head, the bangles, the bags, everything to die for, yeah. He doesn't ever get us to walk the ramp for him, but I'm just glad to be here. Well, I try to keep the color palette as tight as possible. If you see, there's a lot of white, yellow and black, polished off of course with Zardozi work. And mainly what I tried to do was that, if you see the silhouettes, there was a lot of layering, there were a lot of full sleeved but backless outfits, jackets with dhotis and things like that. So it fits the silhouettes for the autumn-winter season perfectly. I wanted a very morbid feel, but yet a very beautiful woman, a very elegant look. So that's why the bindis and the earring, but yet they were just walking with their hands at the back and very casual.
I think what was really interesting is that each and every garment that you saw in today's collection, if you bought it as a separate, it would work with something else in the collection. Everything was interchangeable. The predominant colors were golds, black, red. It was just a collection that you can put together differently every time you wear it.
It was called No More Masks. It was just a feel and expression, a dialogue on the current scenario today. For me, it was just an expression of what I feel right now.
The entire collection is very straightforward, very well tailored, very linear and very structured.
Collection, it's called Ochin Pakhi. It's in Bengali, it's in a sweet way, it's called Stranger. It's a combination and a chemistry of various disjointed dreams and visions. silhouettes which we have worked with and the fabrics which we have worked have gone hand in hand, where we have worked with a lot of wools which work as great drapes and great fluidity they have got.
My collection is very wearable, but I wanted to play with safety pins. So every outfit has lots and lots of safety pins on it. But the best part is they're not pokey. They're embroidered well and they make you look much sexier. I've done a lot of nude colors, cream and beige, and with a little bit of lace and ruffle work.
The collection was based on sculptures, lot of things to touch, like you can see lot of texture. This is extreme texture, but the entire collection is based with textural and tactile element of the garments.
My collection, it's a very chic, very glamorous collection inspired from Space Sage meets a fine actress walking a red carpet, and it's very futuristic. I've used a lot of metal. I've combined a lot of crystal embellishments with metal trimmings and hangings. It creates a very nice and a sparkly galaxy effect.
We're having a terrific celebration of fashion, and there's a lot of buzz, excitement. I think the venue is awesome, and I think we are damn pleased that the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week is growing from strength to strength. It's becoming bigger and better, and I think what is interesting is the fact that the designers who are participating are coming from across the country. So it's making it into really a pan-India event.
When you look back at your first fashion week and you look back at this one, how much change do you see yourself?
I think the consumers have become evolved. I think in the last 5 years, I can see the designers have become far more commercial. They are making creations which can be commercially viable, not only just on creativity. So I think it's a good movement because ultimately it's fashion for real people, and that's what will make people, fashion become closer to the consumer.
Wills is a very great platform to showcase your work, and I had a great time.
Wills is an amazing platform. You have to see the infrastructure, the setup, and how well everything has been thought about.
Fashion Week is one of the best things that has happened to this country when it comes to the fashion industry.
It feels great that all of us come together on this one platform and show whatever is our strength. So it's something I look forward to every season.
I think the Wills India Fashion Week is fabulously organized. For me, being a part of Fashion Week is being a part of the fraternity. That whole energy I enjoy.
Okay, now we have with us Anasuya. Hi. And we have with us Kali. Hi. And they have this a very exotic headgear. Tell me where you get it from. I got it from the Sabya show. You stole it, you said. Well, we almost stole it. It's worth stealing. We did a dharna outside and we said we're not leaving till you give us a headgear. You very generously gave us the bangles as well. I didn't get anything. I came empty-handed, so you guys were like Anna Hazare. Absolutely. That's all you mantra. Exactly. And the cause is Sabyasachi. Totally. That is brilliant.
Everybody draws influence from everywhere. The West draws influence from India as well. So everybody shares sensibilities. That's the way it is.
Today, Hollywood is copying Bollywood. Today, international designers are copying Indian designers. So let's not even get there. It's like an egg and a chicken story. What came first?
I don't buy fashion magazines. I don't watch television. I don't do anything of the things of trying to look at what the trends are. And then I find that there are so many people who are thinking the same as me.
Globally, we are talking one universal language. So the trends and all may be the same universally, but what we have to offer and what we bring to the table is the Indianized interpretation of all of that. Maybe a chance where things end up looking slightly similar.
A trend is always inspired by what happens in the world right now, economic markets, cultural situations. So when 2 or 3 people in the world think alike because of certain global circumstances, I don't think one should be accused of copying the other.
What is fashion to me? Fashion as in which fashion? Sorry? As in which fashion? Because I'm an avid fashion watcher.
Very bad.
What is fashion to me?
I must say,
Be yourself. Don't get lost.
FTCI presents the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Spring. Oops. Hi guys, welcome to Delhi. And if
we are in Delhi, there must be a great damn reason for us to be here. And here is an FTCI presents a lifestyle.
I don't have words to describe it. I really feel like crying.
कितना problem आ रहा है? मैं 2.5 घंटे से खड़ी हूँ यहाँ पे. Really?
thank you for zooming in on us.
Fashion Week rocks.
So here we are, and I don't think we can find a better end to the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week. We have with us Alex, Ritika, Trita and Antoine. And ये बहुत अच्छा गाना गा रहे हैं यहाँ पर. और अभी ये Zoom के लिए खास गाना गाएंगे. And that'll be a goodbye note for the India Fashion Week here.
It's all about the glamour. It's all about the mood. Here we are together, singing on the boom. Zoom, 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 zoom.